How to make an amendment for stimulus on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you need to amend your tax return in TurboTax to claim a missing stimulus payment, then you first of all want to open up your filed return in TurboTax. For that, log into TurboTax. Now select the tax year you need to amend. Now click on Amend or Return. Then head over to Federal Taxes. Then select Deductions and Credits. Now, find the Recovery Rebate Credit section. Answer the stimulus-related questions carefully, such as enter how much you actually received. TurboTax will then calculate the correct amount you should have gotten. Now, you want to review the updated return, then print Form 1040X, which is the amended U.S. individual income tax return, then mail it to the IRS. Attach any supporting documents such as IRS notices or proof of stimulus payment. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.